If you've watched the news or have been online lately, you're probably familiar with CBD. And before we go any further, let me explain what it is. You see, CBD is short for cannabidiol, which is a non-intoxicating compound found in hemp. Now, let me be clear. CBD will not make you high, so don't confuse it with its cousin, THC, which is a compound that will do that. The big question, are the tinctures, gummies, and creams the most effective way to go? As this industry booms, the USDA and FDA are trying to quickly set standards to ensure that they are. Today we find CBD in everything from sparkling water and crackers to honey, candies, and even tea. Ben & Jerry's has been working on a new flavor of ice cream that contains CBD. And it's rumored that both Coke and Pepsi are working on a wellness beverage containing it. Research has shown that CBD works best with foods that contain some kind of fat, like nuts, oils, and even ice cream, because it absorbs into our system faster and maintains its benefits even longer. If you want to learn more about CBD, as well as get the recipe for our homemade fresh strawberry ice cream, minus the CBD, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a CBD-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm.